This is for you, Mom. I know this is wrong. That's why I'm here to say sorry. I followed my big brother and I'm here to say sorry.
Is it just too late to say sorry? And now maybe it's something about somebody. I let my little brother into doing wrong and now I'm sorry. I spoke over my tail and that was my listen, now I'm sorry. Is it just too late to say sorry? And now it's something about somebody. I hope that you accept this for now.
Because you're my best pal.
Can't even say how.
Sorry. Sorry. And here you go, because you're my pal. Because you are one best pal.
Sorry.
I'm my best pal. Because we say come on now.
I hope it's not too late to say sorry now.
Because we say come on now. Come on, Henry Burgers.
Sorry. Yeah. Sorry for making a big bonfire. Nice. And can you see his singed hair?
No, it wasn't me.
This fault.
Yeah. All right. Apology accepted.
Yay! Oh yeah. I'll do it. Let's have a victory dance.
Oh, I love you guys.
Come on, Henry Bridges. Love you. Bye bye.